Order. I wanted to come here today on behalf of the City of Brampton. I should note I'm joined by Councillor Rod Power, if you want to come on up here as well. Rod and myself both share tremendous admiration for Ephraim, the executive director of this Heart Lake Run that grows to be an event that is bigger every single year. I first got to know Ephraim in his role with the Kenyan-Canadian Association, but any task he gets involved in, he throws his heart into. So I just want to say the City of Brampton is lucky to have someone like Ephraim who pours his heart into supporting great causes. On behalf of the City of Brampton, I just want to say thank you. Can we have a round of applause for Ephraim? Ephraim, the City of Brampton is proud to be a sponsor, proud to support this.
Good afternoon. My name is Shafqat Ali. I'm not minister. I'm a member of parliament from this beautiful riding, Brampton Centre. Before I begin, please give a round of applause for our MC. Man, I thought I'm wearing WWE. That's amazing. Thank you so much. It's truly an honor to be here for 5K
So I do want to give the sponsors who are here today an opportunity to come to the stage, say a few words, starting with the representative from Algoma University.
Algoma University is a proud sponsor of this year's event and the incredible initiatives going towards sustainable development. So thank you for having us included. Our Brampton campus students are also excited to take part in the walk run tomorrow as Team Algoma Thunderbirds. And they are proud to be involved in this Brampton event in the city. So again, on behalf of all the staff, all the students at Algoma, thank you and have a great day tomorrow.
Our bronze sponsor. We are. A round of applause. Without you, this would not be possible. Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you to Ephraim for inviting us to this run. We're proud to be sponsors of this event. Our mission at Bioped, helping everyone do more by assisting you with your foot and your lower body pain so that you can get out there and do what you want. That really aligns with the run. I'm also supporting Souls for Souls Canada today and their sustainable efforts towards economic development around the world and within Canada. So if anyone tomorrow is coming back for the run, we encourage you to bring any of your gently used shoes for donation outside, and we are collecting used shoes as well. So good luck to everybody tomorrow, and thanks again.
The Ontario Environment Network.
Thank you very much. First of all, I want to welcome you all to this second edition of the Heart Lake Run 5K and Active Living and Climate Action Festival. It's so great to see that we had such a success after a very devastating COVID-19 pandemic, and we came through. So first of all, before I go ahead, I would like to call the team that helped me plan this event. Amazing team, so I'd like to call my planning team to come over here. So this is a team that helped me put this event together, and I just want to say thank you to what you guys have done. We wouldn't have been here without your support in every way.
So that's it for our opening ceremony. At 3 o'clock, we will be back here. We'll hear from some incredible community organizations who are doing great work towards the sustainable development goals, making a more sustainable, healthy, happy world. So please join us then.
Jeet Corpora, Regional Councillor for Wards 2 and 6. And the Heartlick Run has been amazing. You see so many people coming together, and I think I was having discussions with people that it brings people together, it connects people together, and it gives us a moment to talk about the things that matter, like climate change. We talk about the climate and how we're going to be fixing that, especially for our youth. And well-being, that's a big thing. Well-being. And how we can incorporate that in our daily lives. So thank you again for organizing such an amazing event. And we do have a certificate of appreciation from the City of Brampton on behalf of Council. I know Councillor Palashi really wanted to be here. He sends regrets. And it's basically a certificate of appreciation, recognition on the success of the second edition of the Heart Lake Run and the Active Living and Climate Action Festival. So thank you.
Woohoo!
Our first set of speakers will be talking about climate action. It's the Active Living and Climate Action Festival. So first I'd like to welcome Sarah Kamel to the stage. Sarah is a climate change project coordinator at the Royal Ontario Museum. She is a change agent and a social entrepreneur who is passionate about championing the rights of the less privileged through advocacy and community development. While living in Kenya, she graduated with a Bachelor of Education from the University of Nairobi and worked in various national and international organizations in refugee camps and in the humanitarian field.
Good afternoon. As you've heard, my name is Sarah Kamau, and I'm glad to be talking about climate action and way forward. We all have a part to play when it comes to climate change. And this is not just for the government, this is not just for institutions, but this is also for individuals. So I'll just break it into 3 topics. One of them is climate change and me. And then secondly, climate impact in Ontario, and even the climate action opportunities. Opportunities for the public, and one of them is, that is through the federal government, in terms of Clean Growth Hub. Of course, there are green bonds and green mortgage program if you're owner of a building, on how to make, when you want to green your own building. The government is funding and giving various funding opportunities. And also there is Delta Building Partnership in Toronto. All these are programs of funding opportunity for homeowners, business owners that you can take advantage of so that you can think about how to make your building or your premise green.
All right, our next speaker is going to talk to you about climate change and climate justice from a youth perspective. So I'd like to welcome Maria Jose Torres to the stage. Maria Jose, or MJ, as she likes to be called, is a board member of the Ontario Environmental Network, which, by the way, is one of our exhibitors. And she's an employee of WWF Canada. She moved to Canada from Colombia 6 years ago with a goal of pursuing a career in the environmental sector. After facing discrimination in the industry, she found her eyes opened to the importance of climate justice. Despite facing challenges as an immigrant and a person with a disability,
to take action is to volunteer and get involved, and also network. And something that's very interesting about volunteering and getting involved is that you start networking and you don't even realize you're networking. So that's great.
Right, and our final speaker in the climate action section of today is Allison Canning. Allison, or Allie, is the executive director of Let's Get Together and the chair of the Association of Career Educators. She's a mother of 3, a homestay parent to international students, an engaged resident and a community connector. She's an adventurer, a dreamer, an innovator, an aspiring techie who believes that anything is possible.
I'm here today because there are people that have been tragically impacted, suffered, or even died as a result of the climate change. And they can't be here today to speak or speak for themselves. Today, I'm also here for the people who don't have devices, a computer, a phone, a laptop, that can help them support them in education, get jobs, and stay connected to the community. We want through our program here is for the youth to take ownership of their learning.
All right, and that wraps up our climate change segment, or climate action segment.
Kami kau na le ka mau ya you